Hello and welcome to Convo Sprout, Easy English Conversations. Thank you for listening today. If you want to improve your English step by step, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. Today's topic is traveling. You will listen to a simple and natural English conversation about going on a trip. Please listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences. Now, let's begin. Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. I feel a little tired, but happy.
Why are you happy?
Because I'm thinking about traveling.
Really? Where do you want to go?
I want to take a short trip.
That sounds nice. When do you want to go?
Maybe next weekend.
That's a good time. Do you want to go alone or with someone?
I want to go with you if you're free.
I think I'm free. Where do you want to go?
I'm not sure yet. I have a few ideas.
Tell me.
We can go to the beach, the mountains, or a small city.
I like the beach.
Me too. I like the sound of the sea.
The beach is relaxing.
Yes, and the air is fresh.
How far is the beach from here?
About 3 hours by train?
That's not too far.
No, it's okay for a short trip.
Do you want to stay one night or 2 nights?
2 nights is better.
I agree. We won't feel rushed.
Exactly.
Do you want to travel by train or by bus?
I prefer the train.
Why?
It's faster and more comfortable.
That's true.
We can leave early in the morning.
What time?
Maybe at 7 a.m.
That's early, but it's fine.
We can sleep on the train.
Yes, that helps.
Do you want to book the tickets now?
Yes, before they sell out.
Good idea.
What about the hotel?
I want a simple hotel near the beach.
Not too expensive?
Yes, not too expensive.
Do you want breakfast at the hotel?
That would be nice.
I like hotel breakfast.
Me too. It's easy in the morning.
What do you want to do at the beach?
I want to walk, relax, and take photos.
Do you want to swim?
A little, if the weather's good.
I like swimming in the sea.
I like it too, but not for a long time.
That's okay.
What about food?
I want to eat seafood.
Same here. Fresh seafood is the best.
Do you like trying local food?
Yes, I do.
Me too. It's part of traveling.
Exactly.
What should we pack?
We need clothes, sunscreen, and hats.
Don't forget sunglasses.
Right, and comfortable shoes.
Very important.
Do you like walking a lot when you travel?
Yes, I like walking and exploring.
Me too. I like small streets and shops.
They feel more real.
Yes.
Do you want to take many photos?
Yes, but not all the time.
I understand.
Sometimes I just want to enjoy the moment.
That's a good way to travel.
Do you like traveling, Jack?
Yes, I love it.
Why do you love it?
It helps me forget work and stress.
I feel the same. Traveling makes me feel free.
That's a nice feeling.
Do you travel often?
Not very often, maybe 2 or 3 times a year.
That's okay. I want to travel more in the future.
Me too. Do you like traveling in summer or winter?
I prefer summer.
Why?
The weather's better and days are longer.
That's true. What about you?
I like spring and summer.
Not winter?
Not really. It's too cold for me.
I understand.
Do you like planning trips?
Yes, but I don't like too many plans.
Me too. I like simple plans.
Just a few things to do.
And a lot of free time.
Exactly.
We can wake up late on the second day.
That sounds great.
We can have breakfast, then walk on the beach.
And drink coffee near the sea.
I like that idea.
Me too.
Do you think it will be crowded?
Maybe a little, but that's okay.
As long as it's not too noisy.
Yes,
I like quiet places.
me too.
We can go to the beach early in the morning.
That's a good plan.
It's quieter then.
And cooler.
Perfect.
I'm excited about this trip.
Me too. I need a break.
Same here.
Let's book the tickets tonight.
Okay, I'll check the train times.
I'll look for a hotel.
Great.
I'm glad we are doing this.
Me too.
Traveling together will be fun.
Yes, and good for English practice.
That's true.
We can speak English the whole trip.
Simple English is fine.
Yes, everyday English.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too, Emily.
Let's make this a great trip.
We will.
Jack, do you like traveling by yourself?
Sometimes, yes.
Really?
Yes, when I travel alone, I can go anywhere.
That's true.
But traveling with someone is more fun.
I agree.
You can talk and share moments.
And laugh together.
Exactly.
Do you usually plan everything before a trip?
Not everything.
What do you plan first?
Transportation and hotel.
Same for me.
Food and activities can come later.
Yes, we can decide there.
Do you like tours?
Not really.
Why?
I don't like tight schedules.
Me neither.
I like slow travel.
Slow travel is relaxing.
You don't feel tired.
And you enjoy more.
Do you like waking up early on trips?
Only sometimes.
I usually wake up early.
Why?
I like quiet mornings.
That's nice.
The air feels fresh.
And fewer people.
Yes.
Do you like talking to local people?
Yes, but I feel shy.
I understand.
My English is simple.
Simple English is okay.
Most people understand.
Yes, they do.
Do you ask for directions when you travel?
Yes, sometimes.
I use my phone a lot.
Me too.
But sometimes the map is wrong.
That's true.
Then we need to ask.
That's good practice.
Practice English in real life.
Exactly.
Do you like buying souvenirs?
A little.
What do you usually buy?
Small things.
Like magnets?
Yes, or postcards.
I like postcards.
They are light and cheap.
And easy to carry.
Right.
Do you like taking videos when you travel?
Not really.
Why not?
I prefer photos.
Me too.
Videos take too much space.
That's true.
Do you share your travel photos online?
Sometimes.
I don't share much.
You keep them for yourself.
Yes.
That's nice too.
Travel memories are personal.
I like that idea.
Do you get tired after traveling?
Yes, but in a good way.
I feel the same.
A happy kind of tired.
Exactly.
Do you like long trips or short trips?
Short trips.
Why?
They are easy to plan.
And less stress.
Yes.
Long trips need more planning.
And more money.
That's true.
This short trip is perfect.
I think so too.
Do you want to invite anyone else?
Maybe not.
Just the two of us?
Yes.
That's fine with me.
It's easier to decide things.
And move faster.
Exactly.
Do you like traveling by car?
Sometimes.
Road trips are fun.
Yes, with music.
And snacks.
Snacks are very important.
I agree.
What snacks do you like?
Chips and fruit.
I like chocolate.
Chocolate is good.
but not in hot weather.
It melts.
Yes,
Do you check the weather before traveling?
always.
Me too.
Weather can change plans.
Very fast.
I hope the weather is sunny,
Me too.
but not too hot.
Warm is perfect.
Do you like the sea at night?
Yes.
It's quiet and dark.
And peaceful.
I like walking at night,
Me too.
but not too late.
Safety first.
Exactly.
Do you bring books when you travel?
Sometimes.
I bring one book.
Do you read it?
Not always.
Me neither.
But it's nice to have.
Yes.
Do you like traveling in your own country?
Yes.
Many people forget that.
There are many nice places.
Close to home.
And cheaper.
That's true.
This trip feels exciting.
I'm really happy about it.
Me too.
It's good to have something to look forward to.
Yes, it makes the week better
Work feels easier.
because we have a plan.
Exactly.
Let's talk again tomorrow.
Okay.
We can confirm everything.
Sounds good.
Thank you for planning with me.
Thank you too.
This will be a great trip.
I believe so.
See you tomorrow.
See you, Emily.
Thank you for listening to this English conversation on ConvoSprout, Easy English Conversations. If this lesson helped you, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. We share simple and real English conversations to help you speak with confidence every day. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.